excuse me. I love you. Who starts a conversation like that? Nobody but I do. But you are not a picture. I can cut you up or hide you. I'll get you on my mind.
Hello everyone, it's Herlina, and today I'm going to be doing another demo / review on another lip paint by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to be reviewing the Uninvited shade today. I've actually been really excited to try out this lip paint because, well, for one, I've never had a black lipstick, never tried it on, never done it before, so this ought to be interesting. Now, I haven't really been fishing around to see what the Uninvited shade would look like on somebody my skin tone. I haven't been looking up any videos to see what it would look like, so this is gonna be like my first impression of this black shade, so hopefully everything is good. I'm going to try not to go into too much detail about the lip paint because in my previous video I did go into a lot of detail about the formula and how it applies and everything. This video I just literally want to try on the lip paints and see what it looks like, so yeah. By the way, please excuse my makeup. I'm actually filming this like at 10 something. I can't find my phone. I literally just got home from work and I've just been walking around with this makeup all day, which is why it looks a little worn out, and that's okay. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip paint. By the way, I did end up getting the one with the matte top. These are limited edition. I was so happy. Here's a little tip while applying these lip paints. Because the formula is so messy, I find it better that when you take out the applicator, you just rub it across the top so that way you won't be putting on too much product. All right, here goes nothing. This is a really messy application, so yeah, be careful when applying these. Okay, I overdid it. Oh well. Okay, so after applying the first layer, I will say it is a little patchy. I can still see my lips underneath, so it would be best to put on another layer or more than one layer. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on another layer. Okay, so this is what it looks like with 2 layers. It still has to dry down. I find that it's not drying as quick as the others that I tried out. I just don't know how I feel about this color. Like I said in the beginning, I have never done a black lipstick, and I don't know, this is new to me. This is very new. Sorry, I'm just looking at the monitor to see how I feel about it. And I don't know how I feel about this black lipstick. I mean, it's cute for maybe a Halloween party, but I don't know, just to go out and wear black lipstick, I don't know. Okay, so right now I'm going to pull out my vanity mirror, and this mirror actually lights up, so I'm gonna use it to look at to get a better look at the lipstick to see what it's looking like, so that way I can see if it's still patchy. Okay, it's not very patchy. However, you can definitely tell it was a messy application because of, I don't know, I blame that on the formula, of course, and I also blame that on the applicator. That's a weird shape applicator, but other than that, I would say that this finish looks pretty good. Just like the other lip paint, this doesn't feel like I have something sitting on top of my lips. It feels natural. It feels, you know, it's not too heavy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and kiss my hand like I did in my last video to see if this one transfers, and judging by the way this lipstick feels, I'm pretty sure it's gonna transfer, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. I don't even need a light to see this one. Look at that. So yeah, the lip paint does transfer, and that's not surprising because so do the other ones. Now, I've actually worn the other two lip paints. I've worn Unbuttoned and Uncuffed out during the day. I actually wore Uncuffed yesterday, and yesterday by the end of the day, the product had actually moved up to the bottom of my nose right here and on my cupid's bow, because I have a habit of making this face. I have a habit of doing that with my face, and I do that throughout the day. And with me doing that throughout the day, I actually had lip paint, you know, product all over here, all over here. So if you have a habit of making that face with your lips, just be cautious if you're wearing one of these lip paints, especially if you're wearing this black lip paint right here. As far as this lip paint goes, my feelings are pretty much the same as the Unveiled, except for the color. I don't see myself wearing this color every day. I could wear it to maybe a Halloween party or some special occasion, but I'm just not about to be rolling out here wearing black lipstick, okay? I'm just not that type of girl. As far as pricing goes, like I said in the last video, it is $24, and I do think that it's overpriced because of the formula. I mean, for $24, I shouldn't be having to deal with transferring and patchiness and all of that. That's just my opinion though. But would I recommend this to somebody? If you're looking for a black lipstick, then yeah, sure, go ahead, get this. It's definitely gonna last a pretty long time because these are long wearing, like I said in my last video. So yeah, if you're, you know, just looking for maybe a black lipstick for a special occasion and you want your lipstick to last all night long, then here you go. And so there you have it. That is the end of this demo. If you want to hear more details about how I feel about the lip paint, you can literally just go and watch my previous video about the Unveiled lip paint, and my opinions are pretty much the same. And with that being said, thank you for watching this review. I hope you enjoyed watching. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. I do post at least once or twice a week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. And until then, I will see you in the next video.